Behind the scenes at SeedProd, we've been making progress towards creating the best website builder for WordPress, and today we're ready to announce our latest release. This new SeedProd version is packed with powerful features and improvements you've been asking for. You can now set different mobile alignments. Alignment issues are a common problem in mobile web design. For example, if you have a two-column section with a headline aligned to the left and an image aligned to the right, the two columns will switch to appear on top of each other on mobile screens. Because of that, there's no reason to keep the left and right alignment. It makes more sense to align them to the center. That's why we've made it easy to set different alignments for desktop and mobile for different blocks in SeedProd. Simply click the desktop or mobile icon to set your alignment preferences. You can also now set padding and margins for mobile. Adding generous spacing between elements is an excellent way to let your whole web design breathe. Mobile screens have limited space to do this, so we've added the ability to set different margins and padding attributes for blocks, columns, and sections. Instead of having large gaps between mobile elements, you can reduce margins and padding to create a seamless browsing experience for visitors. Another improvement we've made is to the social profiles block. We understand that there are many more platforms available than the usual social suspects, and the easiest way for users to find you there is to add a clickable icon to your website. Besides allowing you to choose from 23 social profile icons, you can now add custom social profiles to your website with SeedProd. Just choose the custom option from the social profiles drop-down menu. Then you can select a custom icon from our icon library. Set the icon color and enter a link to your profile. With more control over your social links, it's much easier to grow your social media audience and promote your brand outside your website. You can now separate your content with style. In a previous update, we added fancy section dividers to make highlighting different sections of your website easier. Continuing this theme, we've improved our divider block so you can separate pieces of content with more than a simple line divider. With this SeedProd release, you can add text and icons to line dividers. In the divider settings, you'll see a new drop-down menu that lets you choose text or icon element types. The text option allows you to add custom text in the middle of your line divider and set the HTML heading tag to suit your SEO needs. With the icon option, you can choose an icon from our Font Awesome library and control the icon size, color, and more. Next, you can tell visitors when you're open. Did you know that 54% of smartphone users search for the business hours of local companies online? Whether it's to visit your physical store or get in touch with your support team, showing your business hours can help improve the user experience of your website. With SeedProd's new business hours block, you can display your opening times with a few clicks. You can add dates and times for every day of the week, control the text size, and customize the alignment easily. Clicking an item reveals even more customization options, allowing you to style individual days, times, and background colors. For example, if you're closed on a Sunday, you can style that day to stand out more. In our last announcement, we introduced website kits for SeedProd, and it's gone down well with our users. Because we're constantly adding new kits to our library, we decided it was time to add filtering options, so it's easier to find a design you love. With this in mind, we've redesigned our website kits chooser to look similar to our landing page templates library. From today, you can filter kits to see the entire library or just WooCommerce templates. You can also sort the kits by popular, newest, and oldest, helping you find our latest designs quickly. That's all for now. Update your site to the new version of SeedProd today to try these powerful changes. If you're new to the SeedProd plugin, now is the best time to get SeedProd Pro and take these features for a spin. Please visit seedprod.com or click the link in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for your continued support and suggestions as we work towards making SeedProd the best WordPress website builder.